Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Patreon promo codes so you can view Patreon for free. So go to ogsnags.com, and as you can see it says Patreon promo code, so just go ahead and press get code. And as you can see, 72 of them were used today. That's wild. So all you have to do, guys, is go ahead and press where it says show coupon code, wait for it to load. And once it loads up, guys, you're just going to go ahead and press get full code. And then it's going to bring you over a page where you need to enter your email address, because they're going to send the code to your email. So make sure you go ahead and put that in, and then you're going to get the Patreon code. Now after you do this, you will see a page like this where it asks you to register, so make sure you fill this out. It's very important, guys. And then the deal thing comes up. This is the final step. You can see it says complete one deal, continue. We got this Monopoly Go, reach board level 10. So this is the deal. It shows up for me. You can do whatever deal you want. But yeah, that's how you get the free stuff, guys. So be sure to try it out. Make sure you register and fill this out, guys, and you're going to be good to go. So it's super cool, guys. That is how you get Patreon promo codes in 2025 fully working, guys. So this is super cool, and it's really easy too. So I think you guys are really going to like it. I didn't have any problems with this at all. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super crazy. So yeah, get the word out, bro. So just make sure you fill this out. You're gonna be all set. So the deals thing is pretty simple. Some people get mad at the deals, but it's like download an app and then you just press continue and it takes you to the app store. So it's pretty straightforward. So if you guys want to get Patreon promo codes, be sure to try this out for yourself, guys. It fully works in 2025. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is super cool, guys, and it's fully working. So if you guys are interested in getting Patreon promo codes, be sure to try this out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, and peace out.